today we are going to discuss about test 1 additions and subtractions that I have taken. But the first question here is 26,572 plus 27,873 is equals to 27,873 plus dash. As you can see here that here this number is repeated but this number is not given, so we are going to write the same number here, that is 26,572. When we add, if I write this number at the top and this number below, and if I write this number at the top and this number below, the answer will be same if you will add these two numbers. Okay, so here we are going to write, so we have to tick this one. So like this you have to write down your answer key. So this is your answer key of test 1. Okay, then we have when the number is subtracted to itself. The result is when the number is subtracted, suppose 4 is subtracted from 4, so what will happen? The answer will be 0, so you are going to put 0 here. When you subtract any number with 1, you will get the predecessor. Okay, when you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number, the number itself. But when the number is subtracted to itself, then your answer will be 0. The greater number is subtraction is called minuend. Okay, so the greater number in subtraction we call minuend. So we have to tick minuend here. The smaller number we call subtrahend, and the when the answer when we get the after subtraction, we will get the difference here. Okay, so like this you have to write your answer key, everyone. So it should be neat and clean. Okay, answer should be written and there should be proper solution. Suppose and in next question I am having solution, so I have to solve how to do the subtraction, I have to show it, then you will put the tick. I don't need answer. Okay, so here 15 minus 8, so we have got 84,345 minus 45,898. So now 5 minus 8 not possible, we will going to borrow. So 1, 15 minus 8 is 7, and then we are having with 3 minus 9 is not possible, again we will borrow, it will become 13 minus 9 is 4. Then this 3 will become 2, and 2 minus 8 is not possible, we are going to borrow. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then this will become 3 minus 5 is not possible, again we will borrow. 13 minus 5 is 8, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So 38,447, we have to find out the solution here, and then we are going to tick. A company made 1,42,921 tracks for 52,781 scooters in 1 year. How many numbers of vehicles were made altogether? As we have got here altogether, so it means that you have to add. So here number of, as you can count the number of trucks also, you can count the scooters also, so that's why we are going to use the word number of. You will be able to, when this word problem is given to you, you have to write the word you have to write the statements, and there should be at least 4 statements. Okay, so number of trucks you have to write like this, you have to write your question like this, and then you have to write the answer like this. Number of trucks made is equals to 1,42,921. Number of scooters made is 52,781. Number of vehicles were made altogether in that year, so we have to add. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 8 is 10, 0 here, 1 up. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 7 here, 1 up. 1 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 5 is 9, and 1. So it means that 1,95,702. So here we have got 3 statements at the starting and 1 ending statement. So at least 4 statements should be there in the word problem. So 1,95,702 vehicles were made all together in that year. Now come on question number 6 here. Estimate the sum of the following by rounding of the number to the nearest 1000. Okay, so then also find out the actual sum also. So here we have to find out the actual sum, and then we have to find the round off also. So we are going to add this number first. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 7 here, 1 up. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 2 here, 1 up. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 here, 2 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 3 here, 1 up. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 5 13. Okay, so we have got 13,000, sorry, 1,33,827. Now we are going to round off to the nearest thousand. For the nearest thousand, we have to look at 100 place value. So 100 place value we are having 8. 8 we are going to compare with 5, and 8 is bigger than 5, so that's why we are going to put 1 to the 1000 place value. So it will become 1 and 3, and this 3 plus 1 is 4, and all these three numbers will be turned into 0. So our answer here is, we have to put here answer also 1,95,700. so tick it. Okay, tick it properly, it should be clear. Okay, you can tick it here also, you can tick it here also. So here we have got answer 1,33,827. You have to be very careful when you are putting the numbers, please, because as you can see here, there will be little bit difference in your answer. Okay, so 1,34,000 round off, 1,33,827. So you have to match it properly. Like this I can do some changes, 827, 837. Okay, so like this you have to be very careful that which one is the correct option. Check all the digit, is it matching with your solution, then only take it. If you will not match, then your answer may be wrong. Next is solve the following problems. Solve the following problems. So you have been given this question here to add. So now we are going to add. 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, 9 here 1 up, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 1 plus 7 plus 7, so 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 5 here 1 up, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 8 is your 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 7 is 29, so 9 here 2 up, 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 5 here 1 up, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 6 is 24. So here as you can see, it is given in international numeral system, so I am going to read it like that only. 2,459,579. So you have to tick the correct option here. 2,459,579. Match with your solution properly, then only tick. Okay, there will be little bit difference. As you can see here, only 1 2 is I have given extra, and the answer is completely changed, so you have to be very careful. Here 459 is the here we are having 459, and I have given option 559, so you have to be very careful what I have given in option, and then only you have to tick. If you will tick wrong option, your answer will be wrong. Estimate the difference the following by rounding off to the number to the nearest 100. Also find out the actual difference, also you have to find out. So you have to firstly subtract these two numbers. So 2 minus 7 not possible, so we are going to borrow. 12 minus 7 is 5, 3 minus 3 is 0, then 3 minus 6 is not possible, borrow 1, then 1 we will write in front of it, it will become 13, 13 minus 6 is 7, 13 minus 6 is 7, and then we are having 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, then we are having 3 minus 3 is 0, then 7 minus 4 is 3. So your answer is matching with. Here we have to round off to the nearest 100 also, as you can see, nearest 100. So for the nearest 100 we have to look at the tens place value, that is your 0. So 0 is smaller than 5, so we are not going to add 1 here, so we are going to write 300,700. So now we have to find out the answer here. So you can see that we are having two options with 300,700. Now we have to see our actual answer, that is 705, 300,705. So we are going to take B part. Okay. Now question number 9 here is, there are 52,178 apartments in the township, and 21,256 apartments are already occupied. So this much we have already used, and now how many apartments are still vacant? Vacant means khali. So how many are still left, like those we are not using? So that's why, as we this many apartments we have already used, this many total apartments we are having, so we have to find the vacant apartments here. So what you are going to do is, you have to subtract. Total number of apartment in the township is 52,178. Again you have got the word problem, so you have to write the statements. Number of apartments are already occupied, so 21,256. Now number of apartments, as you can count the apartments, so that's why I am using the word number of. Number of apartments still vacant, so you have to subtract here. 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, then 1 minus 2 is not possible, so we are going to borrow. 11 minus 2 is 9, 1 minus 1 is 0, 5 minus 2 is 3. So 30,922. So you have to be very careful. 992, 99892, so 922 is the correct answer. So you have to end this statement by, so 32,922 apartments are still vacant. So this many apartments are still vacant. Jessica reads 324 pages from her book in Saturday and 259 pages on Sunday. So you have to be very careful that sometimes I can give you questions in which you have to do addition and subtraction both. Okay, so you have to read the question properly. These are 800, there are 876 pages in the book. How many more pages she has to read? So firstly, this many pages she has already read, so 324 and 259. Number of pages read on Saturday is 324. Number of pages read on Sunday is 259. Now total number of pages read on Saturday and Sunday, that is 324 plus 259. 4 plus 9 is 13, 3 here 1 up, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, 583 total number of pages read on Saturday and Sunday. And how many pages are there in the book? 876. So total number of pages in the book is 876. So 876 total number of pages read, that is 583 that we have found. So 6 minus 3 is 3, 7 minus 8 is not possible, we are going to borrow. 17 minus 8 is 9. Okay, so then we have 17 minus 8 is 9, and then we have this 7 minus 5 is 2. So number of pages she has to read is 293 pages she has to read now. Okay, after reading 583. So in this word problem we are having how many statements? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in word problems you have to write all the statements, whatever is necessary, you have to write all the statements. Please don't forget to go through your book thoroughly. This fill in the blanks that I have given it to you, this fill in the blanks and everything that I have given to you, this property. So this is already given in your book, so please read it properly, so there should be no mistake. Read the knowledge nuggets that is given at the back side of the book. Read the question properly, there will be something different in the book, and please revise whole syllabus. Bye bye.